Hello everyone! In this video I'm gonna tell you about one of my days in Istanbul. You will see the unique atmosphere of the city on a rainy day, my journey through Istanbul on the tram to Grand Bazaar. Welcome to rainy Istanbul! My second day in Istanbul was rainy and I went to see other districts. I got on a tram and set off. Istanbul is a city that is beautiful in all seasons, and a rainy day is no exception. The charm of the tram in the rain is one of the unique experiences that Istanbul offers. The tram continuously crawls up and down the avenue, ringing its bell and warning to oncoming pedestrians and photo-taking tourists who risk life and limb trying to capture the perfect shot. Riding the tram on a rainy day offers a unique perspective of the city, with the raindrops creating a serene atmosphere and the tram's movement providing a smooth and relaxing ride. On a rainy day in Istanbul, taking the tram through the city can be a unique and memorable experience. As you ride through the city, you can observe the local commuters and their daily routines, gaining insight into the culture and way of life in Istanbul. The tram system is extensive and easy to use, with the tickets available for purchase at the machines located at each stop. The tram ride can take you to various destinations, including mosques, the spice market and famous restaurants, or you can catch a ferry to explore other parts of the city. Experiencing Istanbul's public transportation on a rainy day offers a unique perspective on the city. The streets and markets, which are usually bustling with activity, take on a different character in the rain, creating a unique atmosphere that is worth exploring. You can book sightseeing walking tours in Galata, where you can wander through the busy streets and soak up the sights, sounds, and smiles of the city. Istanbul is a curious blend of European and Asian culture, and the city's buzzing streets and busy markets offer a glimpse into the city's vibrant culture. It's raining today for the whole day, so I'm just waiting for the good weather.
Benim boy onda. Ben kullandım.
As you walk through the busy markets and streets of Istanbul, you can witness the hustle and bustle of the city and its people. The serenity of grey views and misty atmosphere is another aspect of Istanbul's beauty on a rainy day. Despite the rain, the streets remain busy with locals and tourists alike, going about their daily activities. The city's architecture and landmarks take on a different character in the rain, with the misty atmosphere creating a sense of mystery and allure. The views of the city skyline at the Bosphorus Strait are particularly breathtaking on a rainy day, with the grey skies and mist adding to the city's charm. I entered the Grand Bazaar and was immersed into the atmosphere of Asian markets. The common trick is to invite a customer and offer him to try something in a store, swearing for him, and then he can't refuse to buy some goods because of the exchange rule.
Bonjour. Just have a look inside. Hi. Hi.
Hi there.
This is the tea.
Okay.
This tea, love tea. Where are you from?
I'm from Russia.
Russia. Okay.
Yeah.
Speak English.
Of course.
This is love tea. Can you take picture for love tea? This is tea fruit.
Okay.
Pomegranate tea, apple tea, mango tea. Want to try chocolate? Try one pieces of this.
This one.
This is Turkish delight. I have more inside. Can you take picture? This is with pistachio. راحت لكم. Can you take anything? I give you good price. Okay. Have chocolate, almond. Можно пробовать? Try one. This. Try one.
This one I don't want to try. This one I don't want to try. Maybe something راحت لكم.
Try this. Very nice.
I tried this one, as I remember. How much for one?
One pieces. Like this one means. Lira. 250 grams. Okay. Take it one.
Just one.
Anything?
As you could see, I bought the sweet roll because that guy is an experienced trader and I couldn't just take and refuse to buy something. Anyway, I enjoyed my purchase. The Grand Bazaar in Istanbul is one of the world's most famous shopping destinations and at 3,700 square meters, the world's biggest enclosed bazaar. Once inside the bazaar, 64 streets and smaller alleyways house roughly 4,000 stores and the mosque, post office, cafes, banks and police station, making it a little central city. High society markets, which are street bazaar, are really famous in Istanbul. For this season, people flock here for shopping on the day of the high society markets in many parts of the city. The crowd in the marketplaces starts early in the morning and reaches its peak at noon. When you arrive at the market in the morning, it is relatively easy to find what you are looking for. Daily bazaar markets in Istanbul are just like the stock market. When a product is in demand, it can run out in minutes. Those who want to dress up both stylishly and inexpensively, or who want to go to the street market and throw streets, the street bazaar that allows us to be a part of the whole and get into the crowd. With its crowds and lively salesmen, the street bazaar has an important place in our lives today. You can get 5 pieces for the price of 100 products, where you can find good brands at affordable prices. Not to mention the pleasure you will get. The reflections of puddles on the streets are yet another aspect of Istanbul's beauty on a rainy day. The rain creates puddles on the streets that reflect the city's architecture and landmarks, creating a unique and captivating visual experience. A reflection of the blue mosque in a puddle of rainwater is one of the iconic images that capture the beauty of Istanbul on a rainy day. Istanbul rain stock photos show the stunning visuals created by the reflection of puddles on the city streets. You can see fishermen along the Bosphorus, the city's famous waterway, commuting under it, over it, and across it. The city is buzzing with life, and the rainy water only adds to its charm. However, it is essential to be cautious and aware of pickpockets, especially during rush hours. So I'm gonna stop at this point. I'll tell you about my adventures in Istanbul in the next series. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you later.